Performance Tuning Secrets: How Porting and Polishing Boosts Engine Power. Are you ready to unlock the hidden potential of your engine? Welcome to Performance Tuning Secrets: How Porting and Polishing Boosts Engine Power. In this video, we'll take you on a thrilling ride through the transformative world of porting and polishing, revealing how these expert techniques can skyrocket your automotive performance by optimizing airflow through cylinder heads and intake manifolds. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast itching to get your hands dirty, we've got the insights you need to elevate your engine efficiency to new heights. Get ready to discover the tools, best practices, and unbeatable advantages that come with modifying your metal components. So buckle up, because this journey into performance tuning might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Porting is the process of modifying the intake and exhaust ports of an engine to allow for better airflow. This critical technique is essential because it allows engines to breathe more freely, directly influencing power output and efficiency. Polishing, on the other hand, is the art of smoothing these port surfaces to reduce turbulence and friction, further enhancing airflow efficiency. Together, porting and polishing play a pivotal role in automotive performance, as they ensure the engine operates at its peak capability by minimizing air resistance and maximizing combustion efficiency. Both techniques are indispensable for anyone looking to push their engine's limits and achieve superior performance. Porting and polishing provide significant benefits in enhancing engine efficiency by improving airflow. By reducing restrictions within the cylinder heads, these techniques help increase horsepower and torque, allowing engines to perform with greater power and responsiveness. Additionally, optimizing intake manifolds ensures that air entering the engine is distributed evenly and efficiently, contributing to better fuel-air mixing and combustion. The overall increase in performance is not just about speed, but also improved fuel efficiency and longevity of engine components, making porting and polishing essential practices for anyone serious about performance tuning and upgrading their automotive systems. The science of airflow optimization revolves around maximizing the engine's ability to draw in and expel air efficiently. The smoother the airflow, the more efficiently the engine can produce power. Porting and polishing enhance this by refining the geometry of the cylinder heads and intake manifolds, allowing for a more streamlined path for air to flow. This results in a more complete combustion process and improved engine performance. The reduction of air resistance and increase in velocity mean that engines can reach higher RPMs with less effort, ensuring that every drop of fuel is used effectively for maximum power output. For those diving into the art of porting and polishing, having the right tools is crucial. Essential tools include die grinders, carbide burrs, and sanding rolls, which are necessary for effective metal reshaping and smoothing. Safety equipment is equally important. Wearing goggles, gloves, and masks protects you from metal shavings and dust. A well-equipped toolkit ensures not only the precision of your modifications, but also your safety during the process. Armed with the right gear, DIY modifiers can confidently embark on their performance tuning journey, knowing they have what it takes to enhance engine power and efficiency. To begin porting, it's essential to identify areas within the cylinder heads that can benefit from airflow improvement. Focus on rough or uneven surfaces that could impede airflow. Techniques involve reshaping these sections using a die grinder to achieve a more aerodynamic profile before smoothing them out with finer tools. Patience and precision are key, as removing too much material can be detrimental. The goal is to refine the pathways to allow air to move more freely, thereby optimizing the engine's performance. By following these steps carefully, you can enhance the efficiency and power output of your engine. Effective polishing is about achieving a mirror-like finish that reduces air resistance. This is done by carefully sanding and buffing the surfaces to eliminate rough patches that cause turbulence. Best practices include working progressively from coarse to fine abrasives to maintain surface integrity while attaining a smooth finish. Consistency in pressure and motion ensures an even polish across all areas. Regular maintenance will keep these surfaces in optimal condition, allowing your engine to operate at its best by maximizing airflow and improving the overall performance tuning outcome. One common mistake in porting and polishing is over-polishing, which can lead to removing too much material and compromising the structural integrity of engine components. This can reduce the effectiveness of airflow optimization and potentially damage the engine. Another pitfall is missteps in modifying airflow pathways, which can lead to imbalanced air distribution and decreased performance. To avoid these issues, meticulous planning and adherence to proven techniques are vital. Understanding the science behind airflow and being patient with the process will ensure successful performance tuning without inadvertently harming your engine. Real-world examples demonstrate the profound impact of porting and polishing on engine performance. Enthusiasts and mechanics have shared stories of significant horsepower gains and improved torque, showcasing the transformative effects of these techniques. Case studies reveal how strategic modifications have turned ordinary engines into high-performance beasts. Testimonials often highlight not only increased power, but also enhanced fuel efficiency and engine longevity. These successes serve as inspiration, showing that with the right approach and dedication, anyone can achieve remarkable improvements in automotive performance. In conclusion, porting and polishing are invaluable techniques for anyone looking to maximize engine efficiency and performance. By optimizing airflow through careful modifications of cylinder heads and intake manifolds, these practices unlock new levels of power and responsiveness. The benefits extend beyond mere performance, offering improvements in fuel efficiency and engine durability. For automotive enthusiasts and DIY modifiers, exploring these techniques opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing engine power and efficiency. Embrace this journey of performance tuning and experience the thrill of driving a finely tuned machine.